Fruugo, is this fake or a scam in 2026? If you've been shopping online lately, there's a high chance you've come across Fruugo, a marketplace that claims to offer international products, big discounts, and items you supposedly can't find anywhere else. But as we move into 2026, many people are asking the same question. Is Fruugo legit, or is this platform just another online trap? Let's break it down clearly and honestly. First, what is Fruugo? It's not a typical store. It's a global marketplace. Fruugo doesn't sell products directly. Instead, different sellers from many countries list their items on the platform, and Fruugo acts as the middleman handling the order and payment. And that's exactly where the confusion begins, because in 2026, user experiences with Fruugo are all over the place. Some people say they received their items without any issues, but others report long shipping times, poor product quality, unexpected fees, and in the worst cases, products that never arrived at all. So which version is the truth? Let's start with the most common problem: shipping. Fruugo sellers often ship internationally, which means your package might be coming from across the world. Delivery times can be unpredictable, sometimes weeks, sometimes months. And when delays happen, many users say customer support isn't always helpful, especially when they try to get refunds. Another major concern is product authenticity. Because Fruugo works with third-party sellers, not all items are verified. Some users report receiving products that look nothing like the listing, cheaper materials, wrong sizing, or items that seem like imitations. Does that automatically mean Fruugo is a scam? Not exactly, but it does mean the platform has very inconsistent quality control. And that uncertainty is what worries shoppers. Now, let's talk about pricing. Fruugo is known for offering deals that look too good to be true, and many times they are. Low prices usually come from sellers in countries where quality standards differ, and returns can be expensive or impossible. Some buyers also mention unexpected import taxes or extra fees added at checkout, something you definitely need to watch out for. Then there's the question everyone asks. Does Fruugo actually refund your money if something goes wrong? The answer is mixed. Some users successfully get refunds after disputes, but others say the process takes too long, requires too much evidence, or ends with customer service siding with the seller. Again, this doesn't scream scam, but it does show that Fruugo is far from a risk-free shopping platform. So what's the real truth about Fruugo in 2026? It's not a 100% fake site, and it's not a classic scam. Fruugo does deliver for many people, but it's also not a platform you can trust blindly. Everything depends on the seller you choose, the country the product comes from, and whether you're willing to deal with potential headaches if something goes wrong. My verdict: Fruugo is a gamble. You might get exactly what you ordered, or you might end up frustrated, waiting for a refund or a product that never arrives. Fruugo is not the worst marketplace out there, but it's definitely not the safest either. If you want reliability, fast shipping, and guaranteed quality, Fruugo is probably not your best option. But if you're okay with taking a risk for a cheaper price or a hard-to-find item, then just proceed with caution. If this review helped you understand whether Fruugo is worth your time and money, make sure to like, comment, or share so more people know the truth before placing their order. Stay safe and shop smart in 2026.